Chance to stick around with a nigga, now you stuck. Got in my bag, now I'm up. Made a couple transactions last week and now I'm lit as fuck. You don't know what to do, how to invest. Try to take you out your situation, you just made a mess. You was playing checkers like you really playing chess. Getting rid of you, I swear, that's my biggest flex. Yeah, I thought you'd wait for me. Tell me you want me, I had to.
There's like extra strawberry at the bottom. Quite nice with the strawberry. Right, quite nice with the strawberry.
I never stir even.
Nice. It's not disappointing. It tastes real. Because I always buy the salted caramel is like damn sweet.
Salted caramel hojicha.
Yeah, we have a hojicha latte. How is it? You like it?
It really just tastes like